So your body is a machine, it is a network of what are called cells, and there are 32 trillion different cells in the body, all working in tandem, in synchronicity to coordinate you as a human, coordinate your health, organize your body into a functioning machine. And so these are all communicating constantly as we go about our day. They regulate your movements, they regulate your hearing, sound, smell, taste, activity, thoughts, emotions. These are all tightly interwoven communications. The endocannabinoid system is responsible for the management of all of these communications that are required to make the human body work, and this harmony between all of the cells is maintained through the endocannabinoid system and other systems within the body. And this is what regulates your health. And endocannabinoids are the essential element that keep all of this system working and keep all of these 32 trillion cells operational, functional, and healthy. This endocannabinoid system is found right throughout the body in every cell of the body. This includes the skeleton, this includes your muscles, your nervous system, your cardiovascular system, your reproductive system.